Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will deep dive into few topics like string interest, and we'll also explore some collection types interest, okay, like vector, hash map, etc. And apart from this, we will learn error handling concept interest like options and result. We will learn rust control flow like if expressions, loops, and one powerful match expression. So in today's video we will learn these few topics. Okay, so let's start with the string. So first is, what is a string in rust? So in Rust, strings are bit different from other languages. So Rust has two main type of representing strings. One is string, another one is reference string. So string is an own, growable and mutable string type stored on the heap memory. Okay, so string is ownable, growable and mutable. Okay, and it is stored in heap memory. And the reference string is an immutable reference. Okay, so this is string is mutable, but this is immutable reference to a string slice. Okay, which can point to the part of a string or a string literal. Okay, let's say this is whole string. Okay, this is whole string, and this is a part of if we want to if we want only this part, then we can use this reference string. Okay, we will cover it in a example and understand in a better way. So okay, so the string type. So string is a growable, mutable and on string type. As we discussed, it is stored on the heap, which means it can dynamically resize as needed. Okay, and you can create a string using string from, this is a from functions, or the toString method. So this is the how we create a string. Okay, so example. So this is main function, and this is how we are creating our string. So in our previous video we created a string like this, okay, using this from function, string from. So this is hello. So this is mutable, this is ownable. Okay, and as we know, this is mutable, so that we can modify the string as well. So we are just adding the new string world. Okay, so it will be hello world. Okay, and so we append the string, okay, to this previous string, that is s, and we are just printing this. Okay, so it will print hello world. Okay, great. So this is just a simple concept of string. And this another one is the string type. Okay, that is string slice. So a string slice is a reference to a part of a string or a string literal. It's a immutable and doesn't own the data. Okay, so string slice are often used to avoid unnecessary allocation when working with a string. Let's see example. So this is string. Okay, and how we create a string slice is like this. Let slice equal to so we just borrow the first 5 letter from this as string. So this is how we extract few few bytes of a string from this main string. So this is how, like from 0 index to 5. Okay, so we just borrowing 5 bytes of a string. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, that means hello, HELLO. Okay, so this first 5 bytes we just borrow from this string using, and we create one slice. Okay, and we are just printing slice and it will print hello. And yeah, here slice borrow the first 5 bytes of the string s. So this is just a slice. Okay, so what is slice? Slice is a reference or a part, a reference to the part of a main string. So this is a reference to the part of this full main string, that is hello world. Difference between string and string slice. First, that is ownership. So string owns its data, while string slice borrows it. Definitely, as we seen in this example, this is the string and this is string slice. So it borrows the data from this string, and string is, this string own the data, that is hello world in itself. And mutability, so string is mutable, definitely we know that, but string slice is immutable. Storage, string is stored in the heap, while string slice can point to either the heap or the stack for string literal. Okay, and the example, so this is same example, when to use string or string slice. Okay, so we need to use string uh, when we own and modify the string. When we want to uh, own the string or modify the string, then we can use this string. Example, building a string dynamically, where reading user input or storing a string in a data structure. Okay, so let's assume we want username. Okay, from user, so we don't know the actual size of the string, so we need dynamic strings. Then in that place we can use this string. Okay, use string slice when you only need to read or borrow a string. Okay, example, function parameter, string literals, or borrowing parts of a string. Let's see example. So this is function print length. Okay, one function, and the parameter is string slice. Okay, and we are just creating a whole new string using this string, and just passing the uh, reference passing a reference. Okay, reference of this string to this function, and it will just print the length of this string is, and total length. And again we are passing some string literal. So this is string literal. This is how we create string literal, just a simple sentence. Okay, so that's it for string in Rust. You know the difference between string and string literals, how to use them, and when to each practice, when to use each. And please practice this concept to get comfortable with them, and you can read the official documentation of Rust language, so that you will get better idea. Okay, so let's move on next topic, that is Rust control flow, like uh, if, loops, and match expression. So first, if expression. So this is just similar to any other programming language. So in Rust, if expression allow you to branch your code based on condition. Unlike other languages, if in Rust is an expression, meaning it return a value. Okay, so this is main function, and we have one number 7, and we are just comparing, like if number less than 5, print this condition, otherwise else print this condition. So this is just simple if condition. Okay, if expression. Another one is loops. So Rust provide three type of loop. One is loop, while, and for. Let's see. So this is simple loop. Okay, so we have one mutable variable, that is count, which is initialized with 0, and this is a loop where we are printing count value. So initially it will print 0 because the count value is 0, and we are just increasing count with +1. So count equal to +1, and if we are checking condition, if count equal to 5, then break this loop. And okay, so what it will print, it will print from 0 to 5. Okay, and another one is while. So this is main function, and we are creating same mutable count 0. We are just checking while count less than 5, print this count same. Okay, this is just a while loop, and this is for loop, and this is main function, and for number in 1 2 6. So this 2 dot is equal to like this 1 2 6. Okay, so we are just printing number from 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in Rust we simply write dot dot. Okay, so this is just simple for loop. Okay, and another one is match expression. So this is for just to match the exact value and return appropriate result. So let's see. The match expression is a powerful control flow operator in Rust. It allows you to compare a value against a series of a pattern and execute code based on the matching pattern. Okay, so let number equal to 3. Okay, number is 3, and we are just matching number. So 1, if the number is 1, then print 1. If the number is 2, then print 2. If the number is 3, then print 3. If none of them are available, then just print something else. Okay, like if the number is 4, then it will print something else. If the number is 1, it will print 1, because the match expression is just matching the number, or just comparing like 3 to below conditions. Wherever the 3 meets, it will print the corresponding result. That's it for Rust control flow. And another one is error handling in Rust and result. Okay, so one is option. So the option type is used when a value might be absent. Okay, it has two variants. The one is sum, and another one is none. Okay, for no value. Read it again. The option type is used when a value might be absent. It has two variants. One is sum, another one is none. Sum for a value and none for no value. Example, this is a function which divide a value. Okay, so it has two parameter, one is a, another one is b, and it return type is option. Okay, so it is comparing if b equal 0.0, then return none, else return some. That means return something like a divided by 0, and the condition is if b equal to 0.0. That means if we divide any number, uh, if the second parameter is 0, then just print none, otherwise print whatever the result. Okay, so it will just return option. Option can be anything like none, okay, or and sum. So this is just a result, just a new variable, and we are just calling the divide function, and just passing two number, one is 4.0, another one is 2.0, and we are just matching the result. So we are so it what this divide will return, it will return this option. It can have like none or maybe some. Okay, so we are just match result. If the value, if the return type is like something like this sum, then just print the result. Okay, so yeah, print the result. Otherwise, if the return type is known, then just print cannot divide by 0. Another one is result. So this was option and it is result. Explanation. So the result type is used for operations that might fail. Okay, the result type is used for operation that might fail. It has two variants. One is okay, okay, for success, and error for failure. Example. So one more function, parse number. Okay, and just parameter is string slice, and the return type is result. Okay, one is I32, and parse int error. Okay, so either it will return the number or maybe error. So this is main function, and variable result, and just calling this parse number function and passing 42, and we'll just same matching the result if it is okay, and then just print the value. Okay, parse number, and otherwise if it is error, then print error parsing number and the error, full error. Okay, so this is just a simple example. You can check out the official Rust document for more example. Okay, it is very simple concept, so you can easily read the documentation. Okay, another one is Rust collection, that is vectors and HashMap and slices. Okay, vectors. So a vector is a dynamically sized array. It stores some element of same type in a contiguous block of memory, that is one by one block in the memory. So read it again. A vector is a dynamically sized array. It stores elements of the same type in a contiguous block of memory. Okay, so example is this is mutable variable, and this is how we create a new vector. Okay, so vector, then predefined method name new. Okay, and we are just creating a vector, new vector. The name is vector is number. I mean just pushing few numbers 1 2 3 and just printing number. Okay, so if we want to you know if you want to use this vector, then we need to first like create a object and need to push like this, push the value like this. And this is hash map. So a hash map stores key value pair. It's useful for lookups and associative data. So we all know, as in other programming language, HashMap store key value pairs. Okay, so let's check out example. So this is standard collection and HashMap. We are just importing HashMap. Okay, and this is main function and creating a new hash map using this hash map and new method. And so the new hash map name is score. We are inserting value using key and value, so ls and 100. Okay, so this is key and this is value. Okay, and another one is bob and value. So this is key. We just need to insert this and it will return 90 number. Okay, this is key, this is value. So this is how we store data into hash map using this insert and just printing the hash map. So this is also simple concept, no need to worry. Just go and read the rest documentation if you want to understand it in more detail. Then the third one is slice. So a slice is a reference to a contiguous sequence of element in a collection. It's often used to borrow a portion of a vector or array. Same like string slice. Okay, so what string slice does is just borrow a reference from to the some part of a string. Okay, just like this. This is a number vector 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the slice is just borrow some part like 1 2 4, so 1 2 3. Okay, so this is just a slice of some part of a vector, not whole vector. Okay, so just printing slice, then it will print 1 2 3. Let's try to print. Yeah, 2 3 4, 1 2 4. So 1 will not include if we use like 0. Let me. Okay, then it will print 1 2 3 4 is 1 2 3 4. And if I 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is from 0 index, that is 1 0 to 5 index, so 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, and the last whatever we write here will not included like 5, then it will print only at index 4. It will print only fourth index. So 1 0 1 2 3 4, total 4 index. Let's try to make it 6 and see. Okay, so compilation error, the range and index 6 out of range for slice of length 5. Okay, so the length of this slice is only 5. 1 0 1 2 3 4, total 4 index, the length is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, conclusion. So that's it for Rust collections. You know how to use vector, hash maps and slices to store and manipulate data in Rust. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you found this series helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Rust tutorial. Bye bye, see you in the next video guys. Thank you.